Hello everyone. Today we will see the mole ratio of Na and Cl2, that is sodium and chlorine, which gives us NaCl, that is a table salt. So what we have to do before we talk about mole ratio, first we have to balance out the equation. So to balance out this equation, what we have here is we have only one Cl atom and here we are having two chlorine atoms. So we will be balancing it by multiplying it by 2. But the problem is that now we have two sodium atoms, so we will be again multiplying in this side reactant side sodium by 2, and by default here we have 1. So this reaction is now completely balanced. So now we can talk about mole ratio. So what does this mean? It means that when the 2 moles of sodium are there, we can get 2 NaCl. Okay, 2 moles of NaCl, and similarly 1 Cl2 mole can give us 2 NaCl. Okay, so both are correct. So if we are given in the question, for example, you are given that we have, for example, 1.4 mole of chlorine, then how much X amount of NaCl is formed, then we have to find this value of X. Okay, so simply by the observation what we get is when the one chlorine at 1 Cl2 is here, 1 chlorine, then the twice of this is the what we get product. So here the twice the product is getting. So what we have to just do is we have to just multiply it by 2. That is we are getting 2.8 mole of NaCl when we have 1.4 mole of Cl2. Okay, similarly what we have is 2 Na. For example, this is this part we neglect now. Okay, so let's remove this part. Okay, so we talk about only the sodium and NaCl. Okay, it's the same. The number of moles that you have for the sodium gives the same number of moles of NaCl. So whatever the X value of sodium in terms of mole, and the same X mole of NaCl is obtained. So in the classes what we are taught is just the unitary method, which is just like the same. That is we have 1 Cl, 1, okay, that we say 1 mole of Cl2 gives us 2 moles of NaCl. Okay, then what you do is you just take it that side, and what we are left is 1 here, and we get 2 moles of NaCl divided by 1 mole of Cl2. So when we have 1.3 here, we are just 1.3 here. Okay, we will just write it here and remove this sign. Mole of Cl2, mole will cancel, and just multiply it, and again what we get is 2.6 mole. Okay, either way you can solve it, it will be right. Thank you.